It's nice to see you again. I don't have any motors in my head.
2022, we developed the 6th generation Gemini.
Nadine, c'est mon selfie. Mais au lieu de faire un selfie image, c'est un selfie robot. Voilà.
The ability for computers to learn is astonishing. The neural networks that have been built today, as things like ChatGPT and all those have proven. Imagine that if that was applied to more scary aspects of life. Art is pretty benign, but in actual fact, if you did that to medicine or if you did that to arms, can you imagine what that would be like?
I hope to open the audience's mind to some of the different futures that may be arriving.
No, I haven't had the chance to try food yet, but I'm looking forward to it.
He's testing some of her stuff.